Hey everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to purl and how to do a rib stitch. So for when you want to do a rib stitch, you have to cast on an even number of stitches. So here I've casted on 8. So to purl, it's kind of the opposite of a knit stitch. So for knitting, you go from below the stitch into the back, and for purling, you're going to come from the top and down to the front. So you want to have your yarn in front of your project, and you're going to put it through the top, yarn over, pull it through the back, and then pull that stitch up. So again, you're going to come down through the front, yarn over, pull it through the back, and up over the top. So I'm just going to purl this whole row just to show you how it's done quicker, keeping your usable yarn here in the front. Okay, so now to do a rib stitch, it's a repeat of knit one, purl one, knit one, purl one, all the way down. So first, you're gonna knit one, and then you're gonna bring that yarn to the front, purl one, bring it to the back, knit one, purl one, and then that's all the way to the end of your row. Okay, so then you're going to do the same thing on the back here. But you're going to need to tell the difference between a knit stitch and a purl stitch. It's still going to be knit one, purl one, but say you're in the middle of your row and you forget which one you're supposed to do, you can tell by looking at the stitches. So this V here is going to be a knit stitch, and this yarn coming over the top is going to be a purl. So then knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl.